we are going to start a new chapter, that is lesson number 5, natural disaster. Means how something happens to our planet Earth naturally without any human interference is called natural disaster, and we will see few about them. Here I have listed few that we are going to discuss in the chapter. So this happens when there is certain changes in either in the interior of the earth or it can be on the surface of the earth. So I have divided here into two parts. That the first one is the changes. Some change occurs in the interior of the earth surface. Means earth की surface के अंदर अगर कोई change हो रहा है उसकी वजह से कोई natural disaster occur कर रहा है तो वो है earthquake, tsunami and volcano. We are going to discuss one by one about these three disasters that occurs due to the changes in the interior of the earth. So they are, again I am repeating, earthquake, tsunami and volcano. Now there can be some changes that occurs in the surface of the earth. Means earth की अगर surface है उस surface पे अगर कोई change हो रहा है उस change की वजह से अगर natural disaster occur हो रहा है उसे हम sorry for the disturbance. Okay, so if there is any change that occurs on the surface of earth and due to which any disaster occurs, that is floods, cyclones, forest fires and drought. I will explain you in Hindi. Earthquake, you know that when bhukam, right? Then tsunami, when this sea reaches the seashore, all the sea waves reaches to the city means tsunami, right? And the volcano eruption means Jwalamukhi. Okay. So floods, when water starts in the river starts flowing so high that it reaches to the place, different cities. That's flood. And then cyclone, where the air flows on a high speed. That is cyclone. Forest fires, you know, right? And drought means when there is not insufficient water. If you don't get rainfall for continuous 2 to 3 years, then that will give you a situation of drought. Okay, so we will see in depth about all this disaster one by one from your textbook. Okay, now we will see about earthquake. So when the upper crust of earth means earth का जो सबसे ऊपर वाला surface है suddenly experience tremors either due to collision of plates or due to tremendous pressure in the interior of the earth. तो मतलब अर्थ सरफेस के अंदर से कोई प्रेशर की वजह से अर्थ के अपर क्रस्ट में कुछ फील हो वो अर्थक्वेक है. So waves tremors of earthquake originate from its hypocenter, which is deep down below the surface of earth. In this figure you will see this hypocenter. Here from here some wave starts forming, and then when it reaches the earth's surface, that is epicenter, that will disturb the internal balance of earth. And this waves, this process that is happening, that is created from epicenter, is called earthquake, and which is the result of internal disturbance in the earth. So these waves that is spread one from the epicenter, what happens, it is actually, I have shown you in the figure, right? It starts from hypocenter and then reaches epicenter. So this waves intensity is felt by the maximum around the epicenter. Okay, so the effect of earthquake depends on the intensity of the earthquake, and we can measure it with the help of graph, which is an instrument that is used to measure and record the information about earthquake. So there can be three main reasons. So there can be three reasons for the occurrence of an earthquake. So first one is volcanic eruption, then slip faults, and one from the subduction in an active subduction zone. These are the three reasons that is the main cause of occurrence of earthquake. Now we will see about volcano. So the earth crust, from which motion, lava, rock fragments, ashes, dust and gases are ejected from below the earth's surface. So what happens then? All these things like lava, rocks, ashes, dust, everything is pushed out from the earth's surface. That is the volcano occurrence. So volcano eruption occurs due to four main reasons. Either it can be due to the high temperature in the interior of earth, or it can be creation of magma, means when the temperature increases in the earth's surfaces, depth of the earth's surface, all the rocks started melting. The semi-melted rocks are called magma. So the creation of magma, then creation of gases and vapors result in volcano eruption. Even the rising of magma towards the earth's surface is called volcano. These are the four reasons that causes volcano. So what happens is this water percolating through the cracks and opening of weak rock surfaces turns into vapor. This vapors with the full pressure moves towards the surface, and due to the less space to come out, they try to come out with great force. These vapors also causes magma to rise upward. This gases present in the magma reaches the surface of the earth and erupt with a high pressure in the form of lava, ash, gases, rock pieces of various shapes and size. So this way volcano is formed, and this is called volcano. We will see rest in the next video. Thank you.